Hello, everybody. I like to make a video and talking talk about the FX10. Great machine, by the way. Great, awesome machine. But problems, there are solutions to the problems, and I will advise anybody that is going to start reloading or purchasing and starting reloading with this machine to be very careful of those couple of issues that can affect your indexing and can cause frustration. The first issues I encounter while reloading 45 long Colt and 44 Magnum immediately, right after I assembled the machine, was the problem with the brass fitting the shell plate. Out of 3 shells, 2 got stuck and 1 was pushed in the shell plate correctly. And that was frustration. Not only that, but that can cause loss of indexing and can damage your machine. So what I ended up was getting what they call the plunger, which is the plunger is the device that will push the shell, the brass into the shell plate. And as you can see, the way that is built is got the protrusion here, and it's got like a hook right on the front part of the gadget. So I end up eliminating some of the material. I remove some of the material here and some of the material on the front of the plunger. Believe it or not, it made a whole lot of difference. And the shells now are being pushed into the shell holder correctly. Another major issue that I encountered was the finished cartridge wouldn't eject properly and it got stuck. And by doing that, you lose your cycling and you have a chance to damage the index arm, which is behind this plate. So what I did with the hand file, as you can see, I removed some of the material right there. I slowly file the material away. I filed and try until I was able to get the proper amount of material out and making sure that the shell was ejected properly. With these 2 problems, the case not feeding and not ejected, the indexing, once you move the level, the shell plate gets stuck and you try to move it. And even the slight movement will create damages to the cycling arm, especially to these small ball bearing wheels, which are basically what make the cycling occur. And what happened is they split, the metal crack, and it stopped spinning. By stop spinning, the cycling is lost. Frustrating, but there is an easy fix. Frankford Arsenal sent me a new indexing arm, full assembled immediately. And I bought these from eBay. Those are basically the ball bearing replacement. I got a link from Bragging Rights, I believe, is the gentleman. He explained in the video how to remove it as well. Very nice video, very nice gentleman. He explained to you how to remove the old bearing, no big deal. It's a little bit labor intense. It's going to take a little time and patience. But once you get these fixes in place, I can guarantee you the machine works like a champ. It does create extremely accurate ammo because the powder dispenser is excellent. Obviously, you don't want to rush. You want to take your time. It's not a race against time. But by doing the correct movement and the full cycling correctly, you will have 600-800 rounds per hour with a machine like this. But those issues first have to be solved. And I believe this is happening to large caliber. Small caliber probably work. They work a little better. Impressive machine. I had many machines, Dillon's and the Postner's Warren, prior to this. But I have to be honest and say, for the money, this machine is better. Better. Just take care of it, and she will unbelievable, creating unbelievable, beautiful ammos. I hope this video may help someone that run into problems like I did, and wish the problem can be fixed. So long, everybody. Thank you.